Hi guys, today we compare Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 versus Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus will launched on October 2024. The price is not available. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 launched on May 2024. The price is $1,099. The body dimensions: height 6.44 inch, width 3.11 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6, height 6.38 inch, width 2.91 inch, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight of the device is Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 227 gram and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 192 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame in both device, and it's come with dual SIM, nano SIM card and SIM card support. The display is same in both devices, LTP OLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 6.82 inches. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 6.5 inch. The resolution of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 1.5K and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 1080p screen resolution, and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 PPA density 396 and the owner Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 449. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both device, and the screen to body ratio Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 89.1% and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 86.5%. The screen protection of Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus Huawei Colon Glass 3. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 come with 4000 nits peak of brightness with dynamic vibration and 3.5 mm headphone jack. The camera setup of these devices: the Huawei comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and micro camera. It has dual LED flash, panorama, HDR, 4K 120fps video record. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel telephoto with 3.5x to 7.1x continuous optical zoom and 4cm micro 120mm. The third camera is 12 megapixel ultra wide with this optic 60 length counting LED flash, panorama, HDR, eye tracking, and its record 4K 120fps video record. The selfie camera of these devices: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 13 megapixel selfie camera and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, panorama, HDR, and 4K 30fps to 60fps video record. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with 12 megapixel selfie camera with panorama, HDR, 4K 60fps video record. The platform: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with octa-core Titan Big 3.43 GHz CPU. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with Kirin 10003nm chipset and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of these devices: the Huawei comes with Melon 930 1 GHz GPU. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 and Reno 750 GPU. The Huawei comes with Harmony OS 5.1 operating system. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices: the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with 12 gigs of RAM. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 16 gigs of RAM. The internal storage of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 512 gigs and 1 TB. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 256 gigs and 512 gigs of internal storage. The Huawei could not support micro SD card, nano memory card. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 support micro SD card. The battery backup: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5200 mAh battery. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 come with 5000 mAh battery, and the Huawei support 100 watt fast charging. The Sony support 30 watt fast charge. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 support 15 watt wireless charging, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 88 watt wireless charge, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the features in both devices: both devices have Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display and side mounted, UFS 4.1 and 4.0, and IP68 dust and water resistant. The Huawei has Face ID recognition feature too, and the both devices has iOS system via satellite. The result of these devices, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus scored 24 points and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 scored 16 points.